Find phone numbers from anyone using only a LinkedIn profile URL. This demo showcases how LinkFinder AI simplifies lead enrichment by extracting contact details efficiently. Click the first link in the description of this video. This link will redirect you to LinkFinder AI, which is a tool that we're going to use to find phone numbers from LinkedIn profile URLs. Switch to the LinkFinder AI platform to begin the data enrichment process. Click the Start Free Trial button to begin using LinkFinder AI's features. Click Continue with Email to proceed with account creation. Select the type for the input data. This allows you to specify what kind of information you will provide for enrichment. Click the Data Type dropdown to view available input options such as company name, company domain, email address, and LinkedIn company URL. Choose LinkedIn profile URL as the input data type to find phone numbers from LinkedIn profiles. Click the Output Type dropdown to select the desired output data, including LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Choose phone number as the output type to retrieve contact numbers from LinkedIn profiles. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL for the person whose phone number you want to find. Enter an example, LinkedIn profile URL, to demonstrate the phone number lookup process. Click Enrich Data to start finding the phone number associated with the LinkedIn profile URL provided. The system finds the profile data including the phone number from the LinkedIn profile URL. Click Upload CSV to enrich multiple LinkedIn profile URLs with phone numbers in bulk. Click Select File to choose the CSV file containing LinkedIn profile URLs for bulk processing. Click Process 7 items to start enriching the phone numbers for all LinkedIn profiles in the CSV file. Click a LinkedIn profile example to demonstrate the phone number lookup. Click the displayed phone number to view detailed contact information. Click API Access to explore programmatic ways to retrieve data using LinkFinder AI. Click View API Docs to read detailed instructions on how to use the API endpoints. Click B2B Data Lookup to access APIs for business-to-business data enrichment. Click LinkedIn Profile to Phone to use the API that converts LinkedIn profile URLs to phone numbers. Click the example curl command showing how to post a request to the LinkFinder AI API with your API key and LinkedIn profile URL to retrieve phone numbers.